Welcome to Chakwa International. I am Nilamadena speaking. This is the 100th presentation from Chakwa International. And the subject, Civil Service Examination Geography. A question, can disguised employment sector be changed to productivity employment sector? Why they discuss employment? It is only Indian agriculture. 42% labor force employed with 20% GDP. That is why last time the 2021 it happens. Before that is 17-18%. Okay, 20%. This is my estimate. 50% of the populations, 50% of the people engaged in agriculture is disguised. Because as per the GDP, what is the contribution of services sector? What is the contribution of the manufacturing sector? Accordingly, I make a rough calculation. And if you check the 300 million ton in the food grain production, if you check with all the developed countries, 20% extra is reasonable because others are doing this same time maybe 10 to 12%. Because in developed countries, around 70% people are employed in services sector, below 10% in agriculture sector, around 20% in the secondary sector. One thing is their secondary sector cannot absorb more people because due to increased competition, mechanization, automation. If you do not do this thing, then automatically your product will be, nobody will take your product. You see the electronic market, how the guerrilla welfare of some countries reduced mobile or laptop, any price like this. So automation will come to manufacturing sector. So say manufacturing sector cannot reduce the increased labor force. If you say the India's demography, after what is the age group students are people are in below 15, by 21 and 29 year around 20 to 30% people need employment. So employment means you have to change the sector, you have to diversify the sector. So India, this is a broad age group. So Indian should plan accordingly. How to divert, how to increase the divert is not a question of in services sector unless you divert in the services sector. One I'm telling you, in if services sector should think beyond IT ITS, because IT ITS will not go after certain years, not like what is happening now. So one is trade related services sector 2019, Luxembourg is the leader with $13.8 billion. Singapore is small country, he is also 7.5. You know this. Within 15 India position not there. So India should explore this segment for diversify population from primary sector to tertiary sector. This is the broad age group. What is up to 10 years, what is happening clearly visible. This is the our export. How we can some yellow color is threatening, man, we should consider because it is reducing. Green color is a segment we should concentrate. Now green color is threatening, yellow sticker is the we should explore. Green color threatening because it is reducing. So we have the vast agroclimatic zone. We should explore a potential of agriculture production and productivity according to the world demand after meeting the demand of Indian population. So one sector we are every time importing pulses and oils. This thing we should, our vast scientific manpower, we should do like this so that our production productivity should be increased and without after meeting our requirement we should export. Otherwise, if more export means your import will be reduced. We need, because we have so many things prepared. We have to import oil. That is a major segment of Indian import. How to balance it? If you do not do it in the agriculture sector, we cannot balance. So GDP will be, your fiscal deficit will increase. That also increasing. So we should, what are the advantages? For optimal utilization of India's natural resources for resource and development, the country has been broadly divided into 15 agricultural regions. This is of India is a vast agroclimatic condition. So India has the potential to produce as per the requirement of Indian population along with the meeting the requirement of world population. Competition will be there. every time competition in secondary sector competition, tertiary, but we have to face the competition by increase the productivity. And one disadvantage is monsoon. Monsoon is around 75%. It is coming in the month of July to September. That is the thing. We have our 50% of your total food production in coming the summer crop. So we have to increase the sprinkler irrigation, drip irrigation, and your according to monsoon, India is a vast agriculture manpower. So many very famous agriculture institute. According to monsoon, the product the period of maturing period of any product, agriculture product, rice or wheat, whatever it may be, should be arranged so that it is not going to affect by the monsoon. Then this is the import data. See, this import data, you see, if you see, because we have shortage, that's why we are forcefully importing. I know this is a shortage, but we should increase our productivity so that this import can be avoided. We not in because all can be avoided. Then what are the priority sector? Because we want agriculture sector should be diversified. How? Beekeeping, sericulture, mushroom growing, vermicomposting, agroforestry, watershed management, soil health management, production, horticulture, pomology, olericulture, and ornamental horticulture. Exploring others as a pisciculture. Pisciculture is there also. That also means marine inland fisheries. If we check the marine, some state had I think they utilize the maximum potential. Maybe it is, I think, Andhra Pradesh and West Bengals. And other states are very lacking. Don't think that coastline also same. Gujarat too, we check the coastline, but they can say available the fish. But other sectors, other states should come forward for the exploration of marine fisheries. Then come increase diversification based on scientific research. As per the agroclimatic conditions, will increase the contribution of agriculture to GDP, increase the export potential of the countries, increase growth, will move the economic growth to upward, resulting in the increased employment. Sound economy based on solid foundation have the capacity to face any hazards. Disguised employment will be changed to full employment. So agriculture should be diversified, and services sector should also be diversified. So diversified, explore the potential, exploring IT and ITS. So with this, the presentation finished. If you like, subscribe and put the bell icon. This was the 100 presentation from Chakwa International. Thank you.